Do you suffer from tinnitus? Tinnitus is a condition that causes you to hear ringing, buzzing, hissing, humming, whistling, or sizzling in your ears. If so, you're not alone. Tinnitus affects 50 million people in the US and more than 600 million worldwide. It is a very frustrating and debilitating condition, and it can have a significant impact on your quality of life. People with tinnitus often experience fatigue, stress, panic attacks, problems sleeping, trouble concentrating, memory loss, anxiety and irritability, headaches, problems with work and family life, and depression. More than a dozen studies, including one published in the Harvard Medical School Journal, have shown that people over 40 who suffer from tinnitus and hearing loss are now at higher risk of developing life-threatening brain disease. In addition to hearing loss, life expectancy can be reduced by as much as 10 years. But these symptoms are only the result of a much more serious condition. Researchers at Newcastle University have found that something is causing pathways inside the brain's neuron cells to break. And this is what triggers tinnitus and memory loss. But they could not figure out what it was. Then a study from the University of Manchester uncovered the culprit. A toxin released by a bacteria that goes directly into the brain, and attacks the brain's synapses. So, the solution is to get rid of the toxin, which gets rid of tinnitus. This solution was tested successfully on 8,400 volunteers in 14 independent labs in 4 countries, and then released to the public. So far, over 78,000 people from all over the world have already applied this solution, freed themselves from the constant ringing and buzzing in their ears, and have returned to a normal life. You can too. Click the button, learn more. Watch the video. And learn how to eliminate tinnitus, its debilitating symptoms, and the adverse long-term effect on your brain.